Hello everyone, welcome back to the English Web. I am Bhageshri. I have come across this very many times while texting, while messaging. We commonly use abbreviations. It seems like we are out of terms to express a lot of our emotions, for which we use abbreviations like LOL or ROFL, among other abbreviations. So in today's video, I've decided to focus on 7 abbreviations and try to come up with words that you can use or expressions you can use in place of these abbreviations. So let's get started. Please subscribe to the English Web and do not forget to click the bell icon to stay notified at all times. The first abbreviation is Xoxo, which stands for hugs and kisses. How can you explain this in a different word? We can probably use something like love always. Another term could also be lots of love. So these are just 2 expressions. There are many other ways in which you can try and express your love, but try and use something else other than XOXO. This is very informal and we can always do better than that. The second abbreviation is LOL, which is I think the most common one, which is laughing out loud. You can express this in a lot of ways. Some of these are I'm spitting my gut out, I'm cracking up, I'm in splits. Again, very interesting ways in which you can express how you're feeling. Way better than using LOL. Now this is again something very similar to LOL. Of course, rolling on the floor laughing. So please excuse my handwriting. This is again similar to LOL, but this is a more intense way of expressing something when you find a particular thing very funny. So how can you express this? You can possibly use something like I cannot contain my laughter, or I'll die laughing, among many other ways in which you can express how you're feeling while using ROFL. Now you have BRB, which is be right back. How do you express this? Now I know that a lot of times you have to type out quite a few words when you are trying to not use abbreviations, but just know that it's a lot of times it's for the sake of your language that you are trying to avoid using abbreviations. So in place of BRB, you can also use something like I'm coming back in a bit, give me a minute, again, I'm just going to be here. These are some expressions. I'm coming back in a bit, give me a minute, I'm going to be here. Now we have this, you live only once. Yes, now you have YOLO or you live only once. Some of the words you can use in place of YOLO are life is too short, Carpe Diem, again something that has been in fashion, in vogue since quite some time. You can use Carpe Diem. Again, seize the day, another way of expressing the fact that you just live once and you need to make the most of what you have. Coming to TTYL, so you can use something like let's talk soon or let's catch up sooner, among other expressions, while trying to say that you will be catching up with somebody after a while or talking to them after a while. So yes, try to use these in place of TTYL. The last one for the day is FOMO. It stands for fear of missing out. So some ways in which you can express FOMO are by saying I'm anxious, again because you're telling that there is a fear of missing out, or I need to be filled up, because you cannot not know what is going around, especially in the online world. So that is what you can use in place of FOMO. I did this video just so that you all understand that there are many other terms that exist to express what these abbreviations stand for. They only induce a nicer way of expressing things. This was an attempt to share a bit on how important a language is, and we need to preserve it in its original form. So I hope you all liked this video and would give using some of these expressions a try, or any other expressions that you may want to use in place of these abbreviations. If you all have liked this video, then please do not forget to hit the like button, to comment below and share any other abbreviations that you all know of and have any other expressions to use along with them. And do not forget to share and subscribe to the English Web. I shall see you guys soon. Goodbye.